The iPhone 17 Pro Max is breaking all boundaries. From an all-new horizontal camera bar and under-display Face ID to the blazing fast A19 Pro chip and a 3000 nit LTPO OLED display, Apple is redefining premium smartphones in 2025. In this in-depth breakdown by Technology Review, we explore all the major leaks, redesigns, and hidden features that make this upgrade seriously impressive. We'll cover the shocking camera upgrades, including a 48MP main sensor, a periscope zoom lens, and a stunning 40MP telephoto lens. You'll also get a close look at Apple's controversial material shift back to aluminum and glass, their bold new ultra-thin design, and what it means for charging, durability, and MagSafe compatibility. Plus, let's talk about the sleek new iPhone 17 Air, and whether it's really replacing the iPhone SE. Is this the biggest leap since the iPhone X? Are the new designs genius or a step too far? Dive into our latest coverage and find out what's coming, what's changing, and whether the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be worth the wait. Hashtag iPhone 17 Pro Max, hashtag Apple Leaks, hashtag iPhone 17 Air, hashtag A19 Pro, hashtag Apple 2025, hashtag Tech News, hashtag Apple Rumors, hashtag Under Display Face, hashtag iPhone 17, hashtag Technology Review. iPhone 17 Pro Max, a complete redesign that changes everything. By Technology Review, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another annual refresh. It represents a calculated reinvention of Apple's most premium smartphone experience. The design is making a bold shift, and not everyone is ready for it. Let's talk about the one feature everyone's been buzzing over, the horizontal camera bar. Unlike previous iPhones, the 17 Pro Max leans into a wide, bar-style camera cutout across the back of the device. Yes, it's controversial, but there's purpose behind it. Aside from offering an aesthetic refresh, accessory manufacturers are already jumping on board to offer customizable camera bar covers. This opens up a whole new level of personalization for Apple fans who love expressing individuality, a rare treat in Apple's traditionally uniform design ethos. With this bar-style camera design, Apple is encouraging creativity and it's catching on. It's not just about protection anymore. These covers might become fashion statements in their own right. Display and Face ID go invisible. The front of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is cleaner than ever. Apple is reportedly ditching the dynamic island in favor of under-display Face ID and a punch-hole camera, finally achieving what many hoped the iPhone 14 Pro would do. It's the most immersive display Apple's ever made, thanks to a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED screen with 3000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, binging movies, or editing videos on the fly, the visual experience will be second to none. Performance: the A19 Pro Beast. Under the hood, the new A19 Pro chip is designed for maximum efficiency and speed. Combined with up to 12 GB RAM, this iPhone will handle everything from AI tasks to demanding creative workflows with ease. The performance improvements are also part of why battery life has seen a boost, without needing to push charging speeds beyond the 35W mark. Though fast charging remains unchanged, Apple is leaning into efficiency rather than raw speed. This results in longer battery life overall, with a high-density battery nearing 4,800 mAh. It's optimized for long usage periods, especially when you're doing things like video editing or intense gaming. Fewer charging sessions, more productivity. iOS 19. Smarter, sleeker, sharper. All of this runs on iOS 19, a version of Apple software that emphasizes improved privacy controls, a refined UI, and increased synergy across Apple devices. With better multitasking, smarter widgets, and more powerful app integrations, the software is finally catching up to the pro-level hardware. There's a big push toward making the iPhone an even more capable creative and productivity tool. Connectivity and design reimagined. Connectivity is another area of focus. The iPhone 17 Pro Max supports 5G Advanced, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and enhanced NFC support for faster, more stable wireless interactions. Whether you're sharing massive files or using Apple Pay, the experience will feel seamless. Apple's material choices are also shifting. The Pro Max now features an aluminum and glass combo body, abandoning the titanium shell from the 15 Pro. This makes the device thinner, only 5.5 millimeters thick, without losing structural integrity. Plus, this change enables better compatibility with MagSafe, further integrating Apple's ecosystem of accessories. iPhone 17 Air, light, thin, and different. Possibly replacing the SE line, the iPhone 17 Air is reportedly just 5 millimeters thick. This ultra-portable model will appeal to minimalists and casual users looking for sleekness and affordability. It may only feature a single rear camera and a single speaker. Clear trade-offs that reflect its lower-tier position, but its simplicity might win over users who just want a dependable, no-frills iPhone. The focus seems to be on offering a truly modern iPhone design at a more accessible price point. Think of it as Apple's reimagining of what entry-level should look like in 2025, without cutting corners on quality, and build to Apple's 2025 vision, a clear statement. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sets the tone for Apple's future direction. With the introduction of advanced camera technology, under-display Face ID, a thinner and more refined design, and the powerhouse A19 Pro chip, this device is built to stay ahead of the curve. It feels like Apple is preparing its users for an era where hardware fades into the background and the experience becomes everything. Despite some choices that may divide fans, like the horizontal camera or the drop of titanium, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is undeniably bold. It may not be for everyone, but it's the most forward-thinking iPhone yet. What to expect at launch? Barring production delays, the iPhone 17 lineup should be revealed in September 2025, with shipments beginning shortly after. That timeline aligns with Apple's standard annual schedule, but rumors suggest the complex design changes might introduce slight delays in availability. The bottom line? Whether you're into performance, photography, design, or just want the latest and greatest, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be the smartphone of the year. Stay locked in with Technology Review for updates as we get closer to launch day. We'll bring you hands-on impressions, feature deep dives, and everything you need to know to decide whether this is the iPhone you've been waiting for.